Today is Saturday. Our subject is maths. I am explaining activity book. Today I am explaining about activity book. With activity book first chapter review. Review. See the first bit. Place the missing numbers from 901 to 1000. You have to write the missing numbers 901 to 1000. 901 to 1000. That means 901, 902, 903. Like this you have to write numbers up to 1000. In second bit, count and number and then writing words. Count and number and then writing number words. See here, some pictures are given in this block. How many scooters are there? We have to count and write the number. Count the scooters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 scooters are there here. So you have to write the number 20. 20 scooters are there. You have to write the number 20 and also you have to write the number name. Number name means what? 20. TWENTY. 20 you have to write. And in the second page, in the second picture, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. How many balls are there? 35 balls are there. So you have to write in these balls 35. Number 35 you have to write. And in words also you have to write. In words also you have to write. 35 spelling THIRTY, 30, FIVE, 5, 35. In that you have to write. And see the next page. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Here some numbers are given. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Look here. Ascending order. First one 58, 67, 39, 42, 26. Ascending order means what? Small number to big number. Ascending order means small to big. So in this row, small number is what? Which number is small? Which number is small? 26. Next 39. Next 42. After that 58. After that 67. So we write these numbers in ascending order. 26, 39, 42, 58, 67. Small number to big number. Next second one. See in your textbook second one. 11, 22, 44, 66, 33. This ascending order. First here small number is 11. After that 22. After that 33. Next 44. After that last 66 is the large number. Next third one. See the third one. 98, 65, 38, 74, 49. Here ascending order means small to big. Which number is small? Here 38 is small. So first we have to write 38. After that which number is small? 49. After that 65. Next 74. Last big number 98. Like that we have to write these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from small number to big number we have to write. This is the ascending order. Next descending order. Next bit is descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. Descending order means big to small. Here see first one, 29, 81, 69, 96, 11. Here big number. Which one is big number? DO means descending order. Which one is big number here? 96 is big number. So first we have to write 96. After that 81. After that 69. Next 29. Last small number 11. So this is the descending order. Next see the next one. 25, 30, 75, 67, 52. So descending order means big number to small number. Here which number is big number? 75 is big number. So we have to write 75 first. After that 67 is big number. 67. After that 52. 52 we have to write. Next 30. 30. After that last small number is 25. Descending order means like this. Next third one see. 86, 60, 68, 93, 39. Descending order. Descending order means again big number to small number. Here which number is big? 93. So first we have to write 93. After 93, 86. After 86, 68. Next 39 and last one is 60. Like this we have to write descending order. Descending order is nothing but big number to small number we have to write. Okay children, today this is our class in activity book. Write this in your activity books. This is your homework. Write these missing numbers from 901 to 1000 and write here, count these pictures and write here number and number name and write this in ascending and descending order. This is your homework also. Okay children.